for this game, you're going to need to make a few things. You could use a scrap piece of paper, pieces of card, anything you've got, and make a piece of paper with each symbol on it. Division, take away, times tables, and adding, a more than and a less than symbol, and an equal sign. You're also going to need a friend to play with. I also have a pack of cards. Now I'm just using these cards that have got numbers on them, all different cards. You could use normal playing cards, you could use dice, or you can do exactly like we've done with these symbols. You could make your own number cards, and you can use these numbers. I've just got, I think, numbers 1 to 12 on them, but you could choose to number them up to 100 or over 100 if you want to give yourself a challenge. So to play this game, I'm going to start by choosing 2 cards for my teammate. I'm just going to take the first top 2 in my piles. I have a 1 and a 6. My teammate then has to decide. I can choose if I put the 6 first or I put the 1 first. And then my teammate has to decide, is 6 greater than, less than, or equals to 1? So my teammate will choose the greater than symbol, the less than symbol, or the equals symbol. Has the minion got it right? 6 is greater than 1. So now the minion got the answer right. 6 is greater than 1, so he gets to keep these 2 cards. They're his. And we reset these cards, and it's his turn to do one for me. So he picks 2 and 3. Is 3 equals 2, more than, or less than 2? I think 3 is more than 2. So is this answer right? 3 is more than 2. So I would get to keep these cards. And then we'll reset the symbols. This time, I think we're going to try and make it a bit more tricky. Come on, Winnie, you've got to do some perseverance. We're going to do 22 as our first number, and 45 is our second number. Now, is 22 more than, equal to, or less than 45? Is he right? Is 22 less than 45? Yes, so he gets to keep all 4 cards. This time it's going to get a little bit more tricky, because we're going to use our other symbol. Now you might want to make a few more symbols of the same type. If you would like to just do addition, or you would like to just do multiplication, you might need to make a few more. First one I'm going to do is, using my first 2 cards, 1 and 7. I would like to do a take away. But you've got to remember that the bigger number always goes first when you're taking away, so you might need to switch your cards round. 1 take away 7 on one side, on the other side I'm going to do 2 add 4. We have to solve both of these separately first to decide if they are more than, equal to, or less than. 7 take away 1 is 6, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So they're the same. If they're the same on both sides, they're equal. So we can put our equal sign in the middle. You can use any combination of your symbols to make this more challenging or easier depending on what you're working on. Let your teachers know how you got on. Try and beat the person that you're playing against. Good luck, P3.